Hello?
Oh, hi, teacher.
Hello, teacher. Hi, Tuta and Leo. How's it going, guys?
We're doing fine, teacher. We're playing, can you see?
Oh, I see. We're playing, teacher. We have toys here. Okay. So, Tuta, how many toys do you have?
I have only one toy.
Only one toy? And you, Leo, how many toys do you have? I have two, teacher. Take a look, I have two. Okay. 1, 2. All right. How about playing number guessing game?
Oh, that would be amazing.
I'm excited, teacher. Let's go ahead and play it. Okay. Can't wait to start. So bring your pumpkin seed dishes.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher. All right, let me see. Try to hide them from Leo so he can't see. All right. Hide them carefully, Leo. All right, teacher.
So, guess how many pumpkin seeds do I have, Leo?
I assume that you got 7 seeds.
No. I have 2.
Okay. She does have 2. It's your turn, Tuta. Guess how many pumpkin seeds do I have? Let's see that. Can you guess, guys? How many pumpkin seeds does Leo have? So, Tuta, how many do I have?
I assume that you have 3 pumpkin seeds.
No, that's not right.
Let me guess again. 4.
That's right. I have 4 pumpkin seeds. Thank you, teacher. That was really funny.
Thank you, teacher. We got fun.
All right. Thank you so much. And same here. I was really enjoying this show. Thank you very much.
Thank you, teacher. Take care.
You too, guys. Take care. You too, teacher. See you later, alligator. Oh, see you later, alligator. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher. Bye, guys.